Hello friends, welcome back to this session. So in the last class we have seen the 10 questions of the exercise 5.3. So let's start the remaining questions. So the question number 11, first question. If u bar is equals to I minus 2j plus k, v bar is equals to 3i plus k and w bar is equals to j minus k are given vectors then find number 1 u bar plus w bar dot u bar cross v bar cross v bar cross w bar. Okay, so this is the first question, and the second question is like this: box product of u bar cross v bar cross v bar, u bar cross w bar and v bar cross w bar. Okay, the question seems to be very difficult, but trust me, it is not, because if you simplify this, let's see what happens. So if I consider u bar plus w bar is equals to suppose p bar, and suppose this is u bar cross v bar equals to q bar, okay, and v bar plus w bar is, suppose it is r bar, then what happens? This is nothing but p bar dot q bar cross r bar, means what? This is nothing but the box product of p bar, q bar and r bar. Okay, so let's verify. So the first question we will solve. So first to find out p bar is nothing but u bar plus w bar. So what is that? U bar plus w bar, so u plus w, so I plus 0 it is I, minus 2 plus j is minus j, and plus k and minus k it is 0 k. ये हो गया p bar. Now let's find out the q bar. What is q bar is? It is u bar cross v bar, and how you solve for cross product कैसा निकालते? This is nothing but the determinant of, okay, so it is I, j and k, and what is u coefficients are 1 minus 2 1, so it is 1 minus 2 1, and v के coefficients है 3 0 1, so it's a 3 0 and 1. So let's find out the determinant. This is I into minus 2 minus j into 1 minus 3 and plus k into, it is 1, sorry, it is 0 minus plus 6. Okay, so this is equals to minus 2i minus 2j minus 2i, and it will be minus 2 minus plus 2j, and it is a plus 6k. Okay, so this is my q bar. Now let's find out the r bar, which is v bar cross w bar, r bar. So let's find out the r bar, which is nothing but v bar cross w bar, so this is equals to determinant of I, j, k. Let's have the u coefficients are 3 0 1 and w coefficients are 0 1 minus 1, 0 1 and minus 1. Okay, so this is equals to I into bracket 0 minus 1 minus j into bracket 3 and plus k into bracket, sorry, it's a j minus j in bracket minus 3, it's not plus 3, it is a minus 3, and k in bracket it's a 3. So this is equals to, we have minus I minus plus 3j and plus 3k. This is what? P bar, q bar and r bar. Now let's find out the required, the box product of these three, p, q, r. Therefore the box product of p bar, q bar and r bar, it is equals to the determinant of all these three coefficients, all three vectors coefficients. What is p bar is? It is 1 minus 1 0. So it is 1 minus 1 0. What is q bar? So we have to consider in this order only, p, q and r. You cannot interchange this order, because interchanging the order will definitely give you the negative sign. Okay, what is q coefficients are? Minus 2, 2 and 6, minus 2, 2 and 6, and r bar coefficients are minus 1, 3, 3. So it's a minus 1, 3 and 3. So this is equals to 1 into bracket 3 2 6 minus 18 minus minus plus 1, it's minus 6 plus 6, and it's a 0 into something. So this is equals to, it's a minus 12 plus 0. So what is your answer is? Answer to the first question is minus 12. Okay, so this is the answer to the first part, this first part. So this is equals to minus 12. Now using the same approach we can solve for the second one. So for the second, again let's consider these are the p bar and q bar and r bar. Consider this is p bar, this is q bar, and this is r bar. Okay, for the second case also. So let's find out the second. So I'll rewrite the question second here. The second question is like this. What they have asked is box product of u bar cross v bar, u bar cross v bar, u bar cross w bar, and v bar cross w bar. So let's name these as, this is p bar, this is q bar, and this is r bar. So this becomes the box product of p bar, q bar, and r bar. Okay, so let's find out the p bar here. P bar is nothing but u bar cross v bar. Have we found out this u bar v bar here previously? Yes, u bar and u bar cross v bar. U bar cross v bar is nothing but this. U bar cross v bar, we have already found this. So this is equals to minus 2 plus 2 and plus 6. So I will write as it is, or you can solve for, or you can do the calculations otherwise. Okay, so I will be writing directly minus 2i plus 2j and plus 6k. Okay, next q bar is what? It is a u bar cross w bar. So have we calculated this u bar cross w bar? U bar cross w bar, u bar cross w bar नहीं. So u bar cross w bar हम लोगों ने नहीं solve किया. So let's solve this. So it is I, j and k. What are the coefficients of u are? 1 minus 2 and 1, which is 1 minus 2 and 1. And for the w bar, 1 minus 2 and 1 u bar. And for w we have 0 1 minus 1. Okay, so it is 0 1 and minus 1. So let's solve for this determinant. So it is I into minus minus plus 2 minus 1 minus j in bracket, it's a minus 1 plus 0. Okay, and plus k in bracket we have 1. Okay, so this becomes I, then this is minus minus plus j, and this is a plus k. Okay, so this becomes the q bar. Let's have the r bar now. R bar is equals to v bar cross w bar. So what I request all of you, please, you can pause this video and you try to develop, you try to get the answer to these questions, p bar, q bar, and r bar. It is some sort of practice you may have. So it is nothing but v bar cross w bar, and v bar cross w bar we have already found this, v bar cross w bar. Okay, answer was like minus 1, 3 and 3. So it is minus 1 I plus 3j and plus 3k. Okay, so if you substitute these three and if you get the box product, we will get the answer to the second question. So what is required is, it is p bar, q bar, and r bar. So let's have the coefficients. What is p coefficients are? Minus 2 2 6. It is minus 2 2 6. Next q bar is 1 1 1. It is 1 1 and 1, and r bar is minus 1 3 and 3. So let's solve the determinant. Minus 2 into, see here, 3 minus 3 is 0. Minus 2 into bracket 3 plus 1 3 plus 1 and plus 6 in bracket, we have 3 plus 1, again 3 plus 1. So this is equals to 0 minus 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, plus 6 into 4, 24. So your answer is equals to 16. Okay, so the answer to the second question is 16. Very simple. So I hope you get the correct one. Okay, let's see the 12th question. So this is some sort of proof question. So the 12th question is, see, the topic is very simple, but this requires a lot of calculations, and again if your concepts are clear, the calculations are also very simple. क्या करना है, सिर्फ डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेना है और क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट लेना है, दैट्स इट. अभी उसमें भी सिर्फ हम लोगों को डिटर्मिनेंट सॉल्व करना है, एंड डिटर्मिनेंट में वी रिक्वायर ओनली दी प्लस माइनस एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन भी नहीं होता है वहाँ पे. Okay, so if you know these three operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, this topic is very simple, I can say. Is it okay? Okay, good. So next question is, prove that. Okay, we have to prove something. What is that? Prove that the first one, okay, box product of a bar, b bar plus c bar and a bar plus b bar plus c bar, the box product of this is equals to 0. Okay, let's solve this question. So here we have total 2 questions. So first I will take the first one and we will rewrite the second one afterwards. So the first question is like this. So we have to prove that a bar, b bar plus c bar and a bar plus b bar plus c bar, इनका बॉक्स प्रोडक्ट इक्वल्स टू 0 है, ऐसा प्रूव करना है. सो लेट्स टेक LHS. So let's take LHS. What is that is? It is box product of a bar, b bar plus c bar, a bar plus b bar plus c bar. So how you can write the box product? This is nothing but it is equals to, how you write this box product? A bar, b bar, c bar. If suppose you have this is nothing but a bar dot b bar cross c bar. Is this okay? So let's write down in the same way. So this is equals to a bar dot, this is nothing but b bar plus c bar cross a bar plus b bar plus c bar. So we have the dot as well as, so this is using this phenomenon. Okay, good. So next what will be the simplify? So you distribute this b plus c to this a plus b plus c. So we will have a bar dot, see how I am distributing, b bar cross a bar, b bar cross b bar and b bar cross c bar. First we will have this. So b bar cross a bar plus b bar cross b bar plus b bar cross c bar, and after that you will be having c bar a, c bar cross b and c bar cross c. Okay, so plus c bar cross a bar plus c bar cross b bar plus c bar cross c bar. Okay, so in this what you can cancel? So in the cross product, if the two vectors are same, we can directly equate it to 0. So this b bar cross this b bar and c bar cross c bar directly gets cancelled. So this is equals to a bar dot, what you can have now? It is b bar cross a bar plus, so this is b bar cross a bar, okay, plus c bar cross a bar plus c bar cross b bar. Okay, so this part is remaining. See again, this b bar cross c bar and this c bar cross a b bar, these two can be cancelled out because one is the negative of other. Okay, so what you can do here is, instead of cancelling there, we can have one more step. So this is equals to a bar dot b bar cross c bar plus b bar cross c bar, b bar cross a bar plus b bar cross c bar plus c bar cross a bar. Now I am writing the negative of this, so minus of b bar cross c bar, because you know that this a bar cross b bar is equals to minus b bar cross a bar, ऐसा होता है. ठीक है, नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन चेंज कर रहे हो उसको. So now you can easily subtract these two, ये cancel हो गया, ये cancel हो गया. So what is remaining then? So remaining part is, we'll write down here, this is nothing but a bar dot b bar cross a bar plus c bar cross a bar. So this part is remaining. So now distribute this dot to both of these terms. So it is a bar dot b bar cross a bar plus a bar dot C bar cross A bar. So this is nothing but the box product of A bar, B bar and A bar, and this is nothing but the box product of A bar, C bar and A bar. And we know that any two columns or the rows of the box product are same, then we say that that box product is equals to 0. So here A bar and A bar are repeated. That's why what you can get, the first one is 0 and the second one is also 0. So 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0, which is nothing but our RHS. Okay, so hence proved. I hope it is clear. Okay, very good. So if you have not understood, please go through this video once again, no problem. क्या जाएगा, सिर्फ थोड़ा सा टाइम जाएगा, बट दैट विल बी लाइक अ इन्वेस्टमेंट इन सम कंसेप्ट. Okay, so let's have the second one, second question from the same question number 12. So the second part is, we have a second part of this question, which is, so the second part will be is also same, A bar plus 2B bar minus C bar dot box A bar minus B bar, A bar minus B bar cross A bar minus B bar minus C bar close is equals to 3 into A bar, B bar and C bar. See, I know the questions are what bit lengthy, okay, and it includes so much calculations. So but just because of that you cannot skip this topic. As I have already told you, if you know the dot product and cross product, that's more than sufficient to solve these type of questions. Okay, so let's see how I can solve this question. So first of all, what we'll do, we will open this bracket, the bottommost rule. So always remember the bottommost rule is applicable for each and every concept, not only sir bottommost sir algebra में है ना sir जहाँ पे 1 2 3 आते हैं, नहीं, वेक्टर उसमें भी हम लोग यूज कर सकते हो. So let's have write this A bar plus 2B bar minus C bar dot, see how I am doing, A bar cross A bar, A bar cross B bar and A bar cross C bar. So A bar cross A bar, then we have minus of A bar cross B bar, then we have minus of A bar cross C bar. See how I am writing, the order is very important. A cross C है, you cannot write down it as a C cross A. Okay, and in between these two we have the negative sign. So this negative sign, take this negative sign as it is. Now you go for this B bar cross A bar, B bar cross B bar and B bar cross C bar. So this is minus B bar cross A bar, then you have this minus minus plus B bar cross B bar, then you have this minus B bar cross minus C bar. So minus minus plus हो गया, so it becomes plus B bar cross C bar. Okay, I am taking the LHS. So this is our LHS part. So A bar plus 2B bar minus C bar. Now see what can be cancelled out here. See this B bar cross B bar can be cancelled out, 0, and this A bar cross A bar is also 0 because of the same vector cross product. Next what you will get, so this is minus A bar cross B bar, let's make it positive. So it becomes plus A bar cross, sorry, plus B bar cross A bar, plus B bar cross A bar, minus A bar cross C bar as it is, and minus B bar cross A bar as it is. And what is this? B bar cross C bar. So plus B bar cross C bar. So I have made only this change. इसको सिर्फ हम लोगों ने पॉजिटिव कर दिया. Now see what can be cancelled out. So positive B bar cross A bar and negative B bar cross A bar can be cancelled out. So this is equals to A bar plus 2B bar minus C bar dot. Okay, now again make this as a C bar cross A bar, positive C bar cross A bar, and keep this B bar cross C bar as it is, B bar cross C bar as it is. Okay, so we have a box here. Now what to do? Distribute. Now again you have to distribute this dot to each and every terms. So what you can have, A bar dot these two terms, so A bar dot this plus A bar dot this. Okay, so A bar dot C bar cross A bar, so you have positive sign in between those two, so plus A bar cross b bar, sorry, a bar dot b bar cross c bar. First part. Now let's distribute the second one. 2b bar dot, so plus 2b bar dot c bar cross a bar plus 2b bar dot b bar cross c bar. Now next we have this minus c, so minus c bar dot c bar cross a bar and minus c bar dot b bar cross c bar. Okay, now let's rewrite these equation in terms of box product. It is a dot c cross a, means what? It is the box product of a bar c bar a bar, plus this is the box product of a bar b bar and c bar, plus this is the box product of what? 2 into b c a, so it is a b bar c bar and a bar, plus this is what? 2 into b bar and c bar, minus this is nothing but c bar, box product of c bar and a bar, minus this is c bar b bar and c bar. Okay, so always remember, if any two rows or columns are same, then we can directly cancel out, because that is equals to 0. ABC all are different, ABC all are different, BB 0, AA CC same है 0 and CC same है, it is also 0. So what is remaining? Let's write down. So this is a bar, b bar and c bar is remaining, plus see here, this can be written as, so the property of the scalar triple product is what? If you do a cyclic change in the vectors a b c, then we can get the same answer. Okay, the box product will not affect if you do the cyclic change in the vectors. Cyclic change मतलब दो ही vectors को आपको interchange करना है. So this is, I can take this a bar here, b bar here and c bar here. This is nothing but the cyclic change. A B C and A B C. In this way you can do the cyclic change. So a bar b bar and c bar. So a bar b bar c bar plus 2 a bar b bar c bar is nothing but 3 a bar b bar and c bar. That's it. As simple as that. So with the help of the property, this question can be solved easily. दो ही तीन ही प्रॉपर्टीज है अपने पास. वन इज इफ यू इंटरचेंज ओनली वन row or column, you will get the negative sign. So if you change the two, you will have the minus positive. Is this okay? Very good. Let's see the next one. So the question number 13 we have now. Question number 13, let me have some space here. Write down the question number 13. Okay, so the question 13 goes like this. If a bar is equals to I plus 5k, b bar is equals to 2i plus 3k, and c bar is equals to 4i minus j plus 2k, and d bar is equals to, okay, I minus j. Okay, फाइंड, क्या फाइंड करना है आपको? फाइंड सी बार माइनस ए बार डॉट बी बार क्रॉस डी बार. फालतू में उन्होंने एक ट्रिक डाल दिया यहाँ पे. ट्रिक मतलब थोड़ा सा लेंदी बनाया क्वेश्चन को, ठीक है, बट हम लोग बहुत स्मार्ट है उनसे. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू, सी, if you observe this question may feel like difficult, but it is not. Why? Because you can combine this vector, these two vectors you can combine. Let's say this is a p bar. So now what you can have, this is p bar dot b bar cross d bar, which is nothing but what? It is box product of p bar, b bar and d bar. That's it. The same question they are asking, just यहाँ पे c bar minus a bar डाल के उन्होंने सिर्फ confuse किया अपने को, ठीक है, बट वी आर वेरी स्मार्ट, कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. सो फर्स्ट लेट्स फाइंड आउट द पी बार. सो पी बार इज इक्वल्स टू, येस, व्हाट यू कैन हैव, इट इज अ सी बार माइनस ए बार. सो सी माइनस ए बघा काय, सी माइनस ए मीन्स व्हाट इज 4i माइनस i इज 3i, माइनस j, नो j टर्म इन द a, so it is 2 minus 5, so it is minus 3k. ये हो गया p bar. We have the b bar and d bar, so let's find out the box product now. So p bar, b bar and d bar, which is equals to the box product of p is what, 3 minus 1 3 minus 3, b bar is 203 203, d bar is 1 minus 1 0. Okay, solve for determinant. 3 into 0 plus 3 minus minus plus 1 into 0 minus 3 and minus 3 into minus 2. So this is nothing but 3 into 3 9 minus 3 minus minus plus 6. So this is nothing but 6 plus 6 equals to 12. So what is your answer? 12 is the answer. Is this easy? It's very simple. Let's solve for the next one, 14th question number. So we will be solving each and every question in detail. Don't worry, not only for this topic, for each and every topic we will be solving each and every exercise. Okay, question number 14. Find the volume of tetrahedron whose vertices are. Find the volume of tetrahedron, okay, whose vertices are क्या है, a in bracket minus 1 2 3 minus 1 2 3, b in bracket, okay, let's write down here, b in bracket 3 minus 2 1, c in bracket 2 1 3, and d in bracket, so capital D, sorry, d in bracket minus 1 minus 2 and 4. Okay, so these are the vertices of the tetrahedron. Now what to do? And you know that the last theorem which we have studied says that the volume of a tetrahedron is nothing but the box product of 1 by 6 into the box product of the coterminous edges. So these are the vertices. So we have seen the figure. So the figure is like this. Okay, so ये ऐसा है, ये ऐसा है, and this is like this. Suppose this is A, this is B and C and D. So the coterminous edges are like this: BA, BD and BC. Okay, I will change the names here. We'll have simple names. So here A, B, C and D. So the coterminous edges becomes what? AB bar, AC bar and AD bar. This becomes my coterminous edges. So let's find out those vectors now. So AB bar is nothing but, it is B bar minus A bar, which is nothing but 3 minus minus plus 3 plus 1 is 4i, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4j and 1 minus 3 is minus 2k. ये हो गया AB bar. Find out AC bar. AC bar is nothing but 2 minus minus plus 1, that is 3i. Okay, so it is 3i. 1 minus 2 is minus j and 3 minus 3 is 0k. AC bar हो गया. Now find out AD bar. AD bar will be D minus A. So minus 1 plus 1 0i, minus 2 minus 4j and 4 minus 3 is plus k. These are the coterminous edges of the tetrahedron. Now you know the volume of tetrahedron is what? The coefficients or the box product. So volume of tetrahedron equals to 1 by 6 box product of AB bar, AC bar and AD bar. This is equals to 1 by 6 into the determinant of these three. So which is 4 minus 2, 3 minus 1 0 and 0 minus 4 and 1. So let's solve for this determinant. So this is equals to, let's solve here, 1 by 6 into, so we have 4 into minus 1 minus minus plus 4 into 3, so plus 4 into 3 and minus 2 into minus 12. Okay, so this is equals to 1 by 6 into minus 4 plus 12 minus plus 24, which is equals to 1 by 6. So we have 36 minus 4, which will be 32. Okay, so what is your answer is? So 32 गया मतलब ये 3, ये आ गया 16/3. Okay, 16/3 is your answer. So whatever may be the unit, so unit cube you can write, unit cube or cubic unit. So this is the answer to the first question, that is the question number 14. Okay, again the same concept we have used. Next question number 15. Question number 15 goes like this. Find the volume of parallelepiped whose coterminous edges are represented by the vectors this. Also find the volume of tetrahedron. Okay, so they have given the three vectors here, so I will write find the volume of parallelepiped. Find the volume of parallelepiped whose coterminous edges are like this. Coterminous edges are given like this. A is what? Okay, they have given directly the vector. So A bar is equals to J plus K, B bar is equals to I plus K, and C bar is equals to I plus J. So these are the coterminous edges of the parallelepiped. The question is also find the volume of tetrahedron, with same vectors as coterminous edges of tetrahedron. Okay, मतलब क्या बोल रहे हैं, these are the same coterminous edges for your parallelepiped as well as for the tetrahedron. So for that case we have to find out the volume of both parallelepiped as well as the coterminous edges. We know that question can be anything, the concept will remain same. A bar दिया है J plus K, B bar दिया है it is I plus K, and C bar is nothing but I plus J. Okay, first case in the first we will find out the volume of parallelepiped, which is nothing but the box product of A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay, so let's find out the box product of these three. It is 0 1 1, first 0 1 1, second is 1 0 1, and third is 1 1 0. So solve for determinant. So 0 into anything is 0, minus 1 into it is minus 1 into minus 1, and plus 1 into it is 1. So what is the answer is minus minus plus 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 is the volume of parallelepiped, which is unit cube 2. Now second case, what is the volume of tetrahedron with the same coterminous edges, which is nothing but 1/6 the box product of A bar, B bar, C bar, which is nothing but 1/6 into 2, which is nothing but 1/3 unit cube. I hope this is okay. Okay, very simple. Yes, let's go to the next question. Question number 16. Question number 16 is like this. If 4 points A in bracket A bar with the position vectors they have given, B with the position vector B bar, C with C bar, and D, okay, capital D with the D bar are coplanar, then show that what we have to show is, very good question, it is A bar, B bar, D bar plus B bar, C bar, D bar plus C bar, A bar, and D bar, it is equals to A bar, B bar, and C bar. Okay, we have to show that LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so let's first find out the LHS. Let's solve for this LHS. So let's take the LHS here. So here the box product is given in terms of the position vectors a bar, b bar and c bar, and the condition, given condition is what? A, B, C, D are the coplanar vectors. So given is what? What is given condition is A, B, C and D are the coplanar vectors. Coplanar vector means, can I write, if the points are coplanar, so can I write the AB bar, AC bar and AD bar will also be coplanar vectors? Yes, will also be the coplanar vectors. We have seen in the exercise 1 and 2. Okay, if these vectors are coplanar, so can I write the box product of AB bar, AC bar and AD bar is equals to 0. The property of box product says is that if any two vectors are coplanar, then the box product is equals to 0. So let's make use of this equation number 1 and let's try to have the show that whatever we have to show. So from 1 you can write down that AB bar, AC bar and AD bar, this is equals to 0. So let's solve this. What is AB bar is? It is B bar minus A bar. This is C bar minus A bar and this is a D bar minus A bar. Okay, this is equals to 0. Next, if it is so, how I can write in terms of dot and cross? So we'll have B bar minus A bar dot C bar minus A bar cross D bar minus A bar. I hope it is okay. This is equals to 0. Now let's distribute this cross B bar minus A bar dot distribute this C bar dot D bar, C bar dot A bar. Okay, so this will be C bar dot D bar minus C bar cross, C bar cross D bar minus C bar cross A bar. Then next time we have these two, minus AD and minus AA, minus A bar cross D bar and minus minus plus A bar cross A bar. This is equals to 0. So what can be cancelled out here? So this is equals to 0 because of the same vectors. So let's see next, B bar minus A bar dot, what is remaining inside, C bar cross D bar, negative को positive बना दो. So it is positive A bar cross C bar and it is a positive D bar cross A bar. This is equals to 0. Now distribute the dot. So B bar to all the cross products. So it is B bar dot C bar cross D bar. Then the positive sign plus, we have B bar dot A bar cross C bar plus B bar dot D bar cross A bar minus, next B का खत्म हो गया, अभी A का, minus A bar dot C bar cross D bar first. See here, A with this, A with this and A with this. These are the three terms with A. Okay, minus A bar dot A bar cross C bar minus A bar dot D bar cross A bar. Okay, so these are the simplified equation. In the next case, write down in terms of the box product. So this is nothing but BCD. It is BCD, box of BCD plus next is BAC. Very good. Next we have is BDA. This one BDA. Next we have is minus of ACD. Okay, then minus of this one AAC. Okay, so the minus of AAC and the last one is minus of A, D and A. Okay, now tell me what can be cancelled out. The same vectors if we have in the box product, then that can be easily cancelled. BCD, BAC, BDA, ACD, C, AAC cancel and ADA भी cancel. Okay, ये दोनों cancel हो गए. So what is remaining is, so write down what is remaining is, this is equals to okay, so BCD plus you have BAC plus BDA minus ACD it is equals to 0. Okay, but what we have to show that this ABD, so do we have ABD there? So I want ABC on the right hand side, so let's take that ABC on the right hand side. So where is the ABC here? Yes, this is what ABC we have. So we can take that part on the RHS side, so that is equals to BCD plus BDA plus, okay, so what I will do is, okay, let's keep this minus, we will have one more step here, minus of AC and D, this is equals to minus of BAC. See, this part I am taking on the RHS side. Okay, that is here, that is this. Now I want to remove this minus, and so what we'll do, we will interchange any one row. So okay, I will interchange this non-cyclic interchange. If I do, then I will get the negative sign. So minus minus plus, so it will be how B bar, C bar and A bar. So we get the RHS. Now let's check the LHS. LHS में क्या क्या चाहिए अपने को? LHS में मुझे चाहिए ABD. I want ABD. So do we have ABD here? ABD, yes, this is what we have. We can have ABD here. So that can be written as cyclic change. If I shift A here, we'll have ABD. So A bar, B bar and D bar. The first part ABD. The next I want as a BCD. Do we get BCD here? B, yes, here we have C. BCD as it is. Okay, very good. BCD, no change is required here in this case. So BCD, and the next part I require is the CAD. CAD. So let's have this CAD. I want CAD. See, you are having here non-cyclic interchange. ओके, CAD नॉन साइक्लिक मतलब ये बीच में का टर्म आप उठा नहीं सकते हो. ठीक है, ये एक्सट्रीम आप उठा सकते हो यहाँ पे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. सो दिस इज व्हाट द नॉन साइक्लिक. सो साइक्लिक एंड नॉन साइक्लिक के लिए यू कैन रेफर माय प्रीवियस वीडियो, इन दैट आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड इन डिटेल. सो दिस इज नॉन साइक्लिक इंटरचेंज means what, we get the negative sign for this. So minus minus plus, you will have C, A and D. That's it. This is equals to what? A bar, B bar and C bar. In this way we can show that. Is this okay? Very simple, very very simple. Just you require is the patience. Patience चाहिए और the calculations आपको अच्छे से आना चाहिए. That's it. Okay, so with this we will solve the next question. The next question is what? The 17th question. Okay, so the question number 17 is, so let me have some space here. 17 question number. Show that the volume of tetrahedron, same question है, show that the volume of tetrahedron, the volume of tetrahedron whose coterminous edges are 7i plus k, 2i plus 5j minus 3k and 4i plus 3j plus k is 14. Okay, is 14 cubic unit. Okay, this is the question. Show that, we have to show that the volume of the tetrahedron with the coterminous edges like this is equals to 14. It's very simple question. The same repetition hai. See, near about we have 4 to 5 repeated questions. Concept same hai, just they have interchanged the numbers with the ijk coefficient. So यहाँ पे we know that the volume of tetrahedron is what? It is 1/6 box product of A bar, B bar, C bar. This is equals to 1/6 into box product of A bar, C bar. A bar, B bar, C bar is what? It is a 7, 0, 1. This is A. Next is B. It is 2, 5 and minus 3. And next is C. It is 4, 3, 1. Okay. Now maybe some of you might have question like that, ki sir, can we interchange these given vectors? So 7i can I take in the second column, second row? No, you cannot do that. like that, because the question is given in this form only. Okay, left hand to right hand. So means what? This is a bar, this is b bar, and this is c bar. So if you interchange, you will get the negative sign. Okay, and if you take a cyclic interchange, then no problem, it's okay. But the standard thumb rule is what we have to consider in the given way only. So let's solve for this, which is equals to 1 by 6 into 7 into we have 5 plus 3 no minus 0 into something, let it be, plus 1 into we have 6 minus 20. Okay, so let's solve this again further. So this is equals to 1 by 6, we have 7 into we have here 14 minus this is 12, so we have is 14, so it is minus 14. So how you can do this? So you can take 14 outside divided by 6, so inside the remaining is what, 7 minus 1, which is 6. So this 6 can be cancelled out, so this is equals to 14. What's that then? Answer is yes, we can show that the volume of this tetrahedron is equals to 14. Okay, so in this way we have solved each and every question. Total 17 questions we have. So solved each and every question in detail with the concepts. So if you have not understood these questions, please go through these part 1 and part 2 of exercise 5.3. Okay, so with this we will stop here. In the next class we will solve the, okay, so in the next class we may have the some theory part, because the exercise 5.3 has covered, so we may have some different theorems and the properties. Okay, so thank you so much.